Welcome. In today's quick guide, I'm going to show exactly how to make your video quality appear in HD when using Facebook on your PC. If your videos have been looking blurry or low quality, this simple setting can make a big difference. Let's walk through it step by step. First, go ahead and open Facebook on your PC. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access your settings. Once you're on the home page, look at the top right corner of your screen. You'll see your profile picture there. Click on it to open the menu. From that drop-down menu, find and click on Settings and Privacy. This will expand more options. Next, click on Settings. This will take you to the main settings page where you can control how Facebook works for your account. Now, on the left-hand side, scroll down until you find the Media section. Click on it to open your media settings. Here's the important part. Look for the option labeled Video Default Quality. You'll see a setting that controls how videos are displayed by default. Click on it and select HD if available. This tells Facebook to automatically play videos in high definition whenever possible, instead of lowering the quality. That's it. Your video should now appear much clearer and sharper whenever HD is available. Keep in mind, your internet speed can still affect playback quality, so a stable connection will help you get the best results. If this helped you, make sure to check your other settings as well, because small changes like this can really improve your overall experience on Facebook.